painful face sometimes. Priyanka, Tilan, I heard. Malmi, can you hear me? Malmi, can you type please? I don't hear you, Malmi. Disconnected. Yeah, okay. So you type on and connect if you don't hear. I don't want people to also do. Okay, we are waiting for 2 more people, but they will connect because they already got the invitation. If anybody want to talk before that about the preparation or anything, we can spend 5 more minutes before connecting.
Somebody had found that they have a street on that. Do you remember Chaminda? Who was that?
I code. I don't really clearly hear you. I think it's my problem. Yeah. Speak close to the mic. I think it's better.
Now can you hear? Right?
Yeah, we can hear you, but not very clear.
That may be the.
Now it's okay. Now it's okay.
Yeah, I didn't do anything with that.
Areas and chat and then continue. We will try to finish this within 2 hours. Okay, everybody ready? Okay. Good. I'm going to start web broadcasting. You can share the link. Setting up of Fabrication Lab or FabLab in Sri Lanka. Now this is the second session on digital manufacturing. A series of discussions or online sessions we have been having, and this is the second session. Last time we had a discussion about general details of 3D manufacturing or digital 3D printing or digital manufacturing. Today we are going to focus more on how we can have this set up in Sri Lankan setting, but not mainly as a corporate or commercial organization, but more like a community or social enterprise where we will be able to use digital benefits of digital manufacturing in a developing country environment for empowerment of a selected community, or how to use technology for social empowerment of a community. Okay, so we have experts from Sri Lanka, Maldives and United States. So I would like very briefly introduce yourself one by one. So start with Patient. Unmute your mic and speak.
Hello everyone, I'm Fabrication Laboratory. So I'm from United States, and right now I'm in Canada, and so we started this discussion on 2 months ago. We had the first talk 2 months ago, and we have the second talk today, and then it will be like a more talk, and then we will kind of talking to that, and again, thank you everybody for your interest and please participate. These discussions, and we have a very powerful, so don't lose your enthusiasm. All right, so I pass it to somebody else.
Priyanta? Priyanta Palavattula, can you introduce yourself?
I did my master's in physics of molecular. So
all about me.
Yeah, thank you very much. Tilan Jayatilaka?
Yeah. Hey everyone, I'm Mardal. Hi everyone, can you all hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm Tilan Jayatilaka. I'm joining from Sri Lanka, and I'm currently working as a manager at ICTs at Google Asia. I scope that I'm overlooking the ICT infrastructure in geographically separate dispersed company. So I'm expected to have a interesting discussion about this digital manufacturing. I was there for the first session as well. So that's about me.
Thank you, Tilan. So, my name is Chaminda Hettiarachchi. I am the host and the coordinator of the session. I work as a researcher and lecturer in ICT and digital marketing. So, this for me it's a way of connecting other people as well as learning something new to my field. So, thank you all of you for joining. In fact, we have 2 more people already joined. I think they dropped because of the connectivity issues. Malmi, also ICT professional from Sri Lanka, and also Priyanta is a senior consultant in digital technology. So I hope they will join during the session. We have also invited people from the public to join if they are interested. I'm not very sure if anybody is, I think the main issue is still the technology is still new, even though we are using it for last 2-3 years. Now still people have issues with the connectivity, not only on Google Hangout, but their own issues with the mic or Hangout add-ons or network. So there are different issues. So therefore we do this not just only for today, but this is more like for the future. So this will be recorded and anybody can watch later, or even for our own reference, as well as now when we start a project, this will be our main the resource, part of the resource, and record of what we are doing. Okay, so that's the basic idea. So I think now maybe Greshan can talk about what is FabLab and why we won't have something like that in Sri Lanka, and other details as a setup of setting the ground for our discussion. Yes, Greshan.
Okay, and so let me share the presentation of the then I'll go through the presentation, and then we'll open it for everybody to contribute with their ideas. So let me start the screen share. Can you see my screen?
Yeah. Yes. Yes.
Hello?
Yeah.
Okay. FabLab, when you look for FabLab, not just only 3D printers that we have in the lab. There are many other elements, like as you see here, you see all the elements in FabLab. Sharing and open thinking. So basically, sharing the knowledge and data around the world. And then so we have like 3D modeling in the software in the lab, and then we have digitally controlled machines, so like 3D printers plus any other CNC routers and any numerical control machine, and laser cutters, motor jet cutters, and so on. So all the sophisticated manufacturing systems. And then there will be other like even some traditional tools and machines that are made out of wood, metal, plastic. And then also there will be like small tools like wires, hammers, stuff that we use in our conventional manufacturing. And then of course we have electronic material, plus actually we have other materials as well. But electronic material means like
just simply a company. Those options are also possible, right? Based on your business plan. Can you elaborate on that?
Yeah. Yeah. So basically, we are open to focus on a particular industry, but better you can focus on like what we might be happening is make new equipment, or in other words, developing new products that are necessary for, that are like suitable for the country. Like I have no idea. One thing, one idea I'm just going it out. It's like developing all the equipment that we need to convert the gasoline cars, petrol cars, to electric cars. So we can convert these cars to electric, and then we can develop the products for that. That may be one program we can run. Just an idea. That one. So we can focus on this program, and also we can leverage the lab to provide the education for the schools, plus any other interested company members that come, and so that education is important. Running a program like the one that I mentioned about converting, we have a very high skilled group of people to do something like that. So if I start a program like that, right now it's very difficult to run. We don't have all the core capabilities to do that. So I think at the beginning what we should think about is developing some more capabilities in terms of human resources, and then at a later stage, tailoring it to certain industry. Innovation. When we educate them, they are very innovation. So now for the education part, we can help from here, and then you can get some help from National FabLab organization. The key thing is like how to sustain and how to earn money within social enterprise framework. So initially I'm kind of worried that focus on a certain industry is not going to, we don't have the core capabilities to focus on a certain industry today. So I think we should open with a wide, we can open the lab with any possibility, and with education in mind, and then pick up a certain industry, or a certain, around a certain industry, we can develop a program. Within the program, we can have one program. Just like in, if you take any company, you have so many programs that are being operated within that company. Same concept. So we can start one particular program, and then in that program we will be focusing on certain products or products within a certain industry. So I think that's my idea.
I think I think, thank you, Vivesh. Now I think that's, now we have to visualize this in such a manner that now we are developing a plant, or we are developing a, not really plant, developing an organization with core competencies, as you said, in terms of 3D printing, and the process, and the transparency, where stakeholders can, particularly schools, universities, others can involved. As a part of that, you have different programs that can be revenue generating. For example, producing, I don't know, to some kind of manufacturing industry, or customer requirement by a particular company. So those things can come later as a part of our business model, where we offer our services. But generally at this stage, we are talking about what should be overview, how we should operate, where we get revenue, not really revenue, but funding to first to initiate and then sustain. And for example, human resources, legal framework, you mentioned organization structure, risk management. I can't remember everything, but setting of a social enterprise is the main focus here. So later, now of course, as a part of that, we have to have 3D printing, server connectivity, resources, resource management, counting, everything. Okay, any more? Maybe we can go for one more round of qualified questions before discussing about how to structure. Or else we can start sharing, ideas based on, I think, patient's slide. Patient, can you add the slide again, that business plan or that component? So maybe we can based on have a very quick. Of course, we need to do a lot of homework to go into detail, but if you can just have some idea sharing on those points, then maybe we can consolidate. Anybody want to say anything? Yeah.
So
I think opportunity and vision we can decide later when we have the discussion or plan. But basically that should be enough. So I can ask somebody else to record based on the video. Then also your presentation and everything. Because if you are going to do it now, I mean, I take some notes, but if you assign somebody, that will be distracting the attention. So we will just go through them and then later try to report or document it.
no, that's fine. That will be from that from this session, but from the next one on, you need to have like a documentation of all the key points, and then that's how we go of the map.
Yeah.
We are not here, but okay, so that's fine. I'll put that.
Anybody, you are free, Malvi or anybody else? We are only 3 here, so it's not a big deal.
So I have one more clarification. So in that slide, there is one component called our solution. So does that mean what you have explained with regard to my previous question?
Yes.
Because we have to have a vision or a mission depending on our solution. Because we can't have a overall first we need to decide what we are going to focus on.
No, I think it's a different question, because our solution is now, let's say for example, I'm just saying, now we are going to talk about, let's say in a rural area, people's difficulty of livelihood. Maybe they don't have jobs or they don't have expertise to have a self-sustained lifestyle. So now if it's going to be the opportunity or change we are going to make, that is, we have to define our solution based on that. So it's an empowerment project. Now,
our solution will be like establishing the FabLab and then providing an educational framework. Educational framework for the education on this technology, and then make them part of the innovation process.
so it doesn't distract us by producing, let's say, supplies or some product to our industry. So those things come now. I think we have to visualize this as we set up this entire thing as a social problem-solving organization. Under that, there can be different programs. One will be on public relations, one will be on empowerment, one will be on, of course, empowerment will be the main focus, but education, training people or community development, then serving to industries,
Right.
kind of things, different things.
And we can have like product development and other
Exactly.
attractive products that are good for the that are good in Sri Lanka.
So that comes on the scaling strategy.
So scaling strategy will be like start one lab, not high end. Scaling strategy will be well, yeah, that we know. But what I would do, once we have one lab, then but scaling strategy will also be exactly what you said. Different programs. Initially, we did not have all the programs. I think product development, yeah, but we can consider it as a scaling strategy.
Okay, Greshan, can we focus on that the previous next slide where we talk about different revenue generating models and everything? Maybe we can start from there.
Yeah.
Seed funding or something. I think next one I don't.